Their solicitors will sort everything out for me, and I get 100% compensation because the other side pays all the costs.
The other side pays all the costs?
You're not laughing there, are you?
However big they are, call National Accident Helpline on 0800 556 557.
Or go to underdog.co.uk.
Rice time! Add some excitement to lunchtime with new Uncle Ben's Rice Time. Crunchy vegetables with fluffy steamed rice. In richly spiced sauces. Now there's a fresh idea.
Ladies first.
New Uncle Ben's Rice Time. It's what lunchtime's been waiting for.
Watch out, ghosts. Essex is in the house.
If anybody's here.